So I want to share with you 4 easy must-dos for December, right, for homeowners. So I want to share with you this. The first one is clean light bulbs and fixtures. Dust them off. Actually wipe down with a damp cloth. Light bulbs, very damp cloth, by the way. Make sure that it's not dripping or even too damp. But dirty bulbs apparently shed about 30% less light compared to clean ones. That's pretty interesting, okay? So the second one is evaluate your homeowner's insurance. This is a great time to actually talk to your agent and review what type of homeowner's insurance you have. Do you have too much coverage? Do you not have enough? Make sure that you have the right homeowner's insurance coverage in place and review that every December. Third one is pack a home emergency kit. Last thing you want during the holidays is an emergency, especially if it's cold in your area outside. You don't want an emergency to chill your family's cheer, okay? So prepare for outages, weather-related emergencies, have an easy to find emergency kit. And then the fourth one is buy holiday lights after December 25th. So it's still in December, but once Christmas passes, you'll find holiday lights for cheap. Provided that they will last until the next year, right? Sometimes that happens where you store a strand of lights that works and then, the following year they don't. But if you're buying them brand new, they're on discount after Christmas. And then what happens is just keep them in the box and you store them for next year. So these are just 4 easy must-dos for homeowners in December. I appreciate you guys watching.